All right, so a quick video looking at how to change the appearance of your WordPress theme and also how to do custom CSS attached to your WordPress theme. So I've logged in here. When I'm editing, I like to keep my site open in one window and my dashboard open in another. So your theme is what controls the appearance of your site. So you have an active theme, but you can install as many as you want. So I can activate this and all of my content stays the same, but the way that it appears is different. And there's two main ways that you change how this theme appears. So the first way is you come here to customize, and this is all the options related to your theme. So this will be things like if your theme supports a header image, you can add a header image or change the header image. Things like that. You might run into a problem where you need to be on HTTPS to work inside WordPress and get this stuff to load. So if you're having trouble loading, make sure you just put this https:// at the beginning, and that should change things. All right, so here I'm in Customize. This is where I can come into Site Identity, and I could say add a logo. And we'll just see this. This will probably look awful, but I've got my logo now. It actually looks pretty good. So you can change things. You can change a lot of colors through here, but not all colors. And these options are going to change a lot based on what theme you have. So here I have homepage settings. This is where if you want your homepage to be a page and not your latest posts, which is what WordPress does by default, come here to static page, select one of the pages that you've already created, or add a new page, and you're done there. When you're done working in Customize, your changes are going to appear here automatically. So I can do this, and this updates automatically, but nothing is saved until I hit publish. Okay, so you have to always remember to hit publish. Now, the last thing is you can change a lot here, but you can't change everything. So you have the ability to add additional CSS, and this is just like when we were doing Bootstrap, and we had default CSS from Bootstrap, and then we also had our CSS that we were going to overwrite that. So let's say I want to change something about this element right here. So this is an H1 with class entry title, and I can see over here, this is all of the styles that have already been applied to it. So if I want to change the color of that, I can come to my custom CSS and say h1.entry title, and I can change the color to light gray. And you can see it update here, and then if I publish, that will take effect. So you can change anything you want here. When you're working with these themes, you want to change things like color, spacing, fonts, things like that. I wouldn't want to go in and start messing with like the padding, or this has overflow hidden on it. So like the really structural things, I wouldn't want to go around messing with, because those are going to be maybe potentially break things. But if you wanted less padding on this, maybe you like that better, that's a change that you could definitely make in the additional CSS. And so I might just copy this selector, come over here, and say that for this, I want the padding top to be 1 rem. Okay, so I get done with that, I hit publish, and I am good to go.